Monster Z.
Got the duck man taking the help away. Reassembly. Almost time for the exhaust. The old Renegade won't even crank. You gotta push it out in the yard. Yeah, push that junk out there. Push it. See if we can get out of the shop without running everything over. I don't think we're gonna be able to clear that. Sheesh, so small. You need to get the cord out of it. Unless Gabe wants your stuff run over. All this Can-Am parts in here anyway. Jeez. Big Bertha coming through. Yes, sir. Alright. Why? I was looking at the video and there's a stick. I saw it. And, oh, yeah. That's that big Polaris pecker. I'm just kidding. Not as little as I got the famous Renegade. About to see if he can burn his hands.
Yeah.
After that stock exhaust test. Get it, Gabe. Just do it. It'll grow back. That big old back of your head, man.
Won't be the first time I could burnt my hand or something.
Yeah. Like that time you picked the Maverick tire up.
Yep.
And it was blue. It was so hot. What are you doing?
Just
What are you doing? Tell the people what we got to do, how to get this off. They probably want some instructions.
I'm not sure yet. I've never taken one off. I know you got to take those 2 springs off on the bottom.
Take the what?
2 springs off on the bottom right there.
Oh, you don't say.
And then I think there's 2 more springs underneath this heat shield. But I got to take this heat shield off first.
Heat shield off, exhaust
New
off. Exhaust going on. RJWC Duals.
New to you.
Huh?
New to you.
No, I mean, they're new. Been on one ride. They're a little dirty. Get a little erga-derga in there.
It's literally sizzling the water. Get out here. You can hear it.
I don't hear anything.
It was.
What? Yeah, if you ever change out your exhaust and trying to do exhaust test, just throw not antifreeze on it. That's water.
Great.
Right. You know, some people are too.
Yeah, cool this off too.
Pull that off.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we out here trying to get a good sound test for y'all. That's professional.
That's still freaking hot.
Well, had to do it. Had to be dude.
Had to be dude.
Because he's over there texting Chloe. Hey, Chloe.
JB.
JB, look at that ugly mug, boy. Dang. Oh, yeah, it's hot. I can feel it. It's on my hand. Golly.
Them dudes is on there.
Well, they kind of.
They don't help that much.
It don't help that it's super muddy in there either.
Right. Might need some WD-40.
Man, I told you this thing gets roads on it.
Barely. This thing stays in the shop more than it gets ready.
Hey. Still got to ride to the shop. Oh. Yeah, I see what you're talking about, busting hands.
Last time I busted my hand on it.
Trying to get these springs off.
If I could twist it.
Do you need them for the next one? For the new guys?
Nope.
Oh. Well, you know.
Cut it off?
I mean, hey, that's your decision. If we don't need them, take them off, cut them, snip, snip. But if we gotta put the stock exhaust back on,
there's a better way. But last time, the better way busted my knuckles. It worked though, but it busted my knuckles.
Busted knuckles, but works. Hard spring has been removed.
You wanna touch it?
Oh, see, I'm a man. Manly things. All right, only 20 million more things to go.
It's not sizzling anymore.
Oh, see, told you. Ugly in there. Why didn't you clean this thing?
It was behind the heat shield.
All right, let's get a move on. People are waiting.
People waiting.
Yeah.
Who's waiting?
They want to see the exhaust
They
video,
can
man.
skip through the video. I know how YouTube works.
Don't you dare skip through my video.
I know how the YouTube works.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Better watch them ads, though. More springs, more springs.
I hate springs.
Taking these springs off. Well, that one come off easy. Look at it.
Because you have room to move, right?
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Just want you to know the only thing holding the stock exhaust on is all the springs.
Is it really?
Watch, this one come right out for a second.
No way. No way. Look at that. Took 4 springs off, wiggling like that. That's kind of weird.
I can't remember.
Does it
come the same way?
Does it just slide off now?
So.
Or you got to unbolt something? Well, you did it just the other day, so.
Huh?
How do you not know? You just did it the other day.
Took the aftermarket one off.
Yeah, but you had to put that one back on, so obviously.
It was broke. So I had to put it on a special way.
Special way.
I might have to take the.
I hear things cracking that probably shouldn't be cracking. Like my awesome taillights.
Maybe if I wiggle it enough.
It's a wiggling.
It's a wiggling.
And a jiggling. If all else fails, use force. Just give it all the ergodurgers.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna come off. I'll take that heat shield off. But
Yeah, you gotta take the heat shield
so
off.
hot.
That's what she said.
It'll come off a lot easier.
That's what she said.
Yeah. The exhaust was out of the way.
I don't think that's what she said. Hammer time. Hammer time. Please don't break it. Oh, looky there. Looky there.
No?
I don't know. It looks like something's happening. But yeah. Oh, is that rod that run through there? That's what you're trying to get out? That rod right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's one on both sides.
Interesting. Sweet. Is the one on the other side off?
Huh?
Is the one on the
They have to come off the same way.
handy dandy tow strap? In my mud box. It's not a dry box anymore. Well, there's something back there. I don't know what that
This
is.
is why.
You said what? You said what now? The only reason I got that mud strap because what?
You can pull back with it.
How many times have you been pulled out with that thing? Twice. I don't want to hear nothing about my strap. You've been pulled out twice with it. Ooh, we are looking.
And there's nothing.
There's nothing in there. So, guys, don't go looking in your mud box for anything because there's nothing in there.
You want to taste?
Tastes like mud. You sicko. You know what the? What the? Excuse you.
She likes to be dirty.
She is a dirty girl, but I mean, you don't have to help her out. So what are we doing now?
We don't really know.
After minutes of
Contemplating
it, taking it off.
I don't really know what.
Whatever that bolt is we just took out was a 13. So, information. We don't know if it's right or not, but.
You never know on your first try, right?
That's what she said. Okay, so taking out these here random bolts don't do anything for the exhaust. Or yeah, so. Nope. Nothing. Not a thing. Dang. Nope. Bolt cutters. Yeah, get that piece right. Get it. Snip it. Dang. Oh, don't snip me. No, sir. Oh, going old school. Sawzall wouldn't work. Old school. So you're going to have to cut. Cut that little thing right there, bad boy, off.
Is it going to?
I guess. I don't know. Is it? Because for some reason we cannot figure it out how to slide it out of there, so we're just going to cut it. I think it is. old school, baby.
Few moments later. 3 days later. One eternity later.
The last little bit's always.
Ding, got
I
him.
broke the.
Huh? You broke what?
It broke.
Broke the At least it cut through first though. Dadgummit. It literally broke as soon as it cut through, thank God.
Too much horsepower.
All that horsepower. And stock exhaust is out. Should look like that when you get it out. And it should look like crap beside that RJWC, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
His was out. I wonder if you're supposed to take it out.
I don't know.
Probably.
Do you take the heat shield out or do you not? This is the question.
It does have to go up there. And you want to be able to see it. So, yeah.
Yep. The heat shield has to be removed, so, or trimmed or something. We don't really know. Springies.
No little springies.
No little springies. Ooh, look at that exhaust, son. Duals. Going up there like that. RJWC sends something to go in there. Little plates there, whatever. And then, yeah.
Yep.
Get him. Sits like that. It really shouldn't be close enough to the plastic to melt anything for real without the heat shield on there. So, should be good on there. You need me to put one of the little bolts or whatever? Or you got that one over there?
Huh?
Hello? Anybody in there? Actually, see, I'm helping right now. Brick Marks install. Huh?
Right back.
Where? Oh, I can't get stuck on something.
Well, push.
I'm pushing!
More.
Oh, there you go. You gotta tilt. You gotta tilt, not push. Whatever. Reminder is a slip-on exhaust, so it just slips right over that little thingy there. Tighten it up, and ooh, it's got springs. I was about to say, that's a little loose. Don't need me doing that.
Three springs.
RJWC springs.
Right.
Ooh, special.
Knuckle breakers.
What?
What? Knuckle breakers.
Knuckle breakers. That's what we're gonna call that. Little thing goes over them little nubs right there, but mine's bent for some reason, so trying to get it adjusted. Got to do it on modifying because that's bent for some reason. Oh well. So that piece up there is supposed to be straight out and connect to those little 3 hump things or whatever they're called. So stock exhaust with yeah, stock exhaust cranking.
With what?
She's popping a little bit, but she ain't got a tuner or anything on it, so pretty good. She wet. Or plastic melting, not sure. But there you go. Give it a little tap on the gas. Yes, sir. So trying to get a little sound test with riding it. Don't have my GoPro today.